Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by eliminating easy software causes. Turn off night light and any blue light filters, then restart the phone to clear temporary glitches. Next, go to Settings Display and try available color modes or calibration sliders. Choose Natural or adjust tint if offered. Once done, boot into Safe Mode to confirm third-party apps aren't altering colors. You act fast here because these steps remove the most common, reversible causes before deeper work. Now you calibrate and diagnose. Use any white balance or RGB sliders in display settings and switch between modes to see which looks correct. Then open test images, pure red, green, blue, and neutral gray, to identify which channel is off. This tells you whether software or hardware is at fault. If system options don't help, install a well-reviewed calibration app and follow its step-by-step adjustment. But make sure you grant only necessary permissions and read reviews first. You finish by resetting display settings and, only if needed, performing a factory reset after backing up your data. This removes persistent software causes. Make sure the OS and firmware are up to date, and if colors remain wrong, contact the manufacturer or use warranty repair. One key troubleshooting tip: always boot into safe mode and test with external video or images. If the tint persists there, it's likely a hardware issue and professional repair is warranted.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.